Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make an invisible folder on your desktop. You have to right click on the folder and click on rename, and then you have to press the Alt button. While pressing the Alt button you have to type 0160 and then leave the Alt button and press enter. So now your folder is there without any name. Next you have to right click, go to properties, customize, change icon, and you have to look for an empty space. So you have to click here. Okay. Now your folder is gone. So what if you want to locate your folder? You have to press left click button and hold it and drag like this. Now here you can see your folder. Only you know where your folder is. Thank you for watching.